Smoky 3, where are they at?
I-5, just past milepost 200. It's a red sports car.
Smoky 3, we'll be en route.
146 says vehicle failing field. About 5 miles is 200. Charles Frank 1063 1353.
10-1 west 2 milepost 4.
1031 west 2 miles 1353. Smoky 3146. He's in lane 3, passing milepost 200, in and out of traffic. He's getting into thicker traffic though.
Smoky 3, I've got my eyes on 190, milepost 198 south. So we'll try to, we're a little ways out from that still, so I'll try to locate it based on that.
146.
53146, what's the description?
It's a red Chevy. Sports car. Communications will be able to tell us. Charles Frank 1063, red 2015 Chevrolet Camaro.
5-3, I'm going to be turning at Marine View. I'm heading northbound on Highway 2 right now. 9-7, over to the units that we're setting up for this off. Let's reposition so we can be in a position to help 146. 338 644.
146 Everett. For original reason for stop with speed, he was doing 84. Original stop for speed 84. 3265.
And Smoky 3, just verify it was a Camaro.
Right.
Smoky 3.
$105 is the sugar into the DOT contact. I'm standing by at 187.
105 1365.
2060, I'm north from 128, so I'll set up at 112.
206 by 112 1365. 146 Everett. I don't see it anymore. I'm southbound from 197. Lost visual, south 5 miles plus 197 3056.
Smoky 3, Everett. And just to verify, bright red, could it be a Mustang possibly?
No, it's a Chevy Camaro.
Smoky 3, it might have, and I'm trying to, it's right next to another black Camaro, so I'm just trying to get a better look at it.
Smoky 3 1356.
5-3, I'm south Marine View Drive now, waiting for it.
South 5 Marine View 1356.
And Smoky 3, do you have an approximate year range that you believe it is?
Smoky 3, repeat that.
Do you have a possible year range that you can give me?
Right, registration returns to 2015. Smoky 3, registration returns to a 2015.
Smoky 3.
Smoky 3 1357.
784 Everett. I'm standing by on the left shoulder, milepost 190, south 5.
75 standing by, south 5 miles 190, left side 1357.
9-7 Everett, what address does it come back to?
7115, 277th Place Northwest, Stanwood, Washington.
You're going to have to speak up. What was the city?
Stanwood.
97.
5768.
Smoky 3, Everett. So far, UTL, the only thing I've seen that matched kind of the area was a mid-90s red Mustang and a black Camaro with red stripes. UTL so far at 195.
Okay, 1359.
Five three one person. What was the plate again?
Charles Frank 1063.
I'm going to catch up to a red Camaro here. Just came on at Marine View Drive. It's picking up South 5. We're at Highway 2. He's picking up and taking off. Smokey, can you pick me up on South 5 at Highway 2 now, far left lane?
Smoky 3, we've got it.
You got him?
Upper, got him. We'll follow.
I'm backing up. 9753, did you light him up? No, he came on right behind me at Marine View Drive. Okay.
Southbound from Outpost. And he's moving over into the right lanes now. Speed check 90, and he used the right shoulder to pass.
Go ahead, location once more.
We're going to be coming up on milepost 192 here shortly. Left lane now.
Equal South 5, 192, 890, passing on the right shoulder, 1401.
97 over. Get a couple units northbound at 188 so we can go to Everett if he exits. 338.
644, I'll head there from the parking ride. And it looks like he's kind of slowed it down now. He's getting stuck in some traffic just north of 192. He's moving back into the right lane.
53, I'm right next to it here.
Equals in the right lane, 1401.
Distance from it, that way he doesn't try to start running again. If we can get him when he stops, then that would be better.
146, that is the car.
Nine seven over to the units. If this runner gets stopped, spikes are approved. Just be very careful and tactical in its application. We'll play it by ear. 338.
Southbound 191, using all lanes to pass, kicking it up again.
970 advice, spikes approved, 1432.
Smokey, I'm in the blue car in the far left, HOV lane.
146 is behind the blue one.
Seven eight four, pull out.
784, stay behind me.
784. 97, where you at? Myself and 206 are at the 188 turn.
So we'll just keep coming to you guys at this point. Looks like he's going to exit, actually.
9-7.
Alright, we're sticking with him on the exit here.
Stop it. Five, Everett, he's eluding again. We're exiting to 526 eastbound.
Verify westbound.
In the shoulder of the pass, high rate.
He is headed on 526 eastbound.
East or west?
It's westbound, post 4 now.
Westbound, Mountpost 414.
Shoulder. Continuing westbound, back onto the shoulder. Going under, looks like, stand by, 526 east.
Five, Everett, can you advise Mosquito, please?
5314.
9-7, Everett. When you advise them, we don't want them lighting them up. We want to try and get this guy stopped. So let's not have anybody light him up anymore and let Smokey follow.
Just crossed over 5th Avenue, still at a high rate, westbound.
Everett 97, advise of PC.
Once more?
Vehicle is going to be exiting here. Stand by for a location onto Seaway Boulevard.
One 46 Everett, PC is going to be speed and eluding. 146 14.
Everett, verify. We do not want them stopping the vehicle.
Right, 14.
Looks like he's exiting off of Seaway Boulevard, and that's going to turn into, stand by, looks like it might be going into the airport terminal area. Boeing plan.
Vehicle exiting off Seaway Boulevard, 1406.
206, I'm currently west on 526, about to take Seaway.
Did he go north or south on Seaway?
He's going to be stopped at an intersection at Boeing Access Road. He's going to be making a left turn into the parking lot area, it looks like.
Vehicle stopped at Boeing Access Road, turning left into parking lot, 1406.
644, which direction on Seaway was it?
Northbound.
Alright, you guys need to exit. He's in the Boeing Access Road parking lot. Looks like he might be trying to find a place to stop.
Vehicle Boeing Access Road parking lot, 1406.
I'm at 75th and Seaway.
146, same traffic.
You guys need to take the first exit after you got onto Seaway.
Right, we're at the red light at 75th.
6 exiting now.
The left turn at that stoplight, then go to your next intersection, make another left. Alright, it's going to be, looks like a possibly black male wearing a khaki pants and a maroon shirt. He's back behind the vehicle, looks like he might be taking the plates off, and he's got a backpack on.
Black male, khaki pants, green shirt with backpack, possibly taking off the plates, 1407.
To the west through the parking lot towards the Boeing Access Road.
Do you see any of our patrol cars by him?
Yes, I have eyes on you. You guys are to the north about a half a mile. You need to go back to the south. If you guys come out of that parking lot that you're in, where you guys entered, make a right turn, go to
to the next intersection and then make a left.
It looks like he might be getting on the Sky Bridge to go across to the south, to the west side of the Boeing access road.
Vehicle possibly going on the Sky Bridge to go to the west side of the parking lot, 14-3.
And just for information, I've lost him in the Sky Bridge at the time being. I'm waiting on both exits to see which way he comes out.
Okay, so they just got back on southbound on Seaway. If you guys could try and make a U-turn to exit, at that exit to your left now, then go back underneath the bridge, if able. They'll take you to that parking lot that he's in.
105 Everett, see if County has a dog available.
105, 14-9.
Okay, follow that exit to the stoplight and then go to the Sky Bridge after the intersection.
Alright, it looks like he's already gotten across the Sky Bridge, and he's closer to the big buildings on the west side, walking across a crosswalk. Looks like he's heading into the Boeing plant, possibly.
Now across the Sky Bridge, go through the buildings on the west side, possibly heading into the Boeing plant, 14-10.
Yeah, he's on the right shoulder.
Subject on the right shoulder, 14-10.
He just continued on that crosswalk, and I lost view of him. Looks like he was walking into the actual Boeing building.
Are we under the Sky Bridge now?
Correct. It'll be to your right. That crosswalk to your guys' right is where he went into the building.
Yeah, there's a fence here, so we got to go in. Everett, get Boeing security on the phone.
97, 14-10.
We're going to work on finding access here.
Smokey, where do you park his car at?
Stand by. I'll get you back to the car. You need to go into that parking lot that's to your left if you're on that road by the Sky Bridge.
Okay, when you guys first came into that, the parking lot area, that first intersection where you guys went straight, you guys have to make a right turn into that parking lot at that intersection.
I'm working on getting access with an employee. We're at the southwest corner of the big building.
97 at the southwest corner of the building, 14 a little bit. All these vehicles are registered by their plate and their owner with Boeing, so they should be able to pull his name and know where he works.
Okay, if you guys are making a right turn, go down past the crosswalk and make a right turn. If that's you, make a right turn right there.
Park unit, make a right turn.
Civic 44 to Smokey, are you talking to me right now? Making the right turn?
Affirm. You're going to go up, make your first right up here. Alright, go down that parking aisle. You're going to have to go to the very end of it. Or if you can get through in an open spot coming up here on your right, just make a right turn. Take a right there if you can get through there. And then make another left, and then the Camaro will be on your left.
644, I'm with it.
And just verify he was messing around with the back license plate too when before he took off running to the Sky Bridge.
206, I'm also with the vehicle.
644 206 with the vehicle, 1427.
644, the plate's still on it.
7146. What's this person's name?
Everett, you're going to have to answer him. I haven't ran him.
Last is Samuel, first is the song will be Alexander 30311.
Go, you got to speak up a little bit, Everett. What was it?
Last is Samuel's, first of the song, middle Alexander.
Receive 97.
97.
97 14 14.
Everett Patrol is patched to Snohomish, 11 is active, and K9 is en route.
97, Everett. We don't need that. Take the patch down. You can cancel K9.
97 14 14.
Smoky 3 Everett. Just to verify you got the description we gave you in the log.
Description of that mail.
Affirm.
Smoky 3.
Great.
97, Smoky 3.
Go ahead, 97.
What part of the facility did he enter?
So that sky bridge goes directly across from the parking lot over to the actual Boeing building, and then if you get off those stairs, walk a little bit to the south, there's a crosswalk, and you went right into the building through, it must be like an employee entrance where that crosswalk is.
Okay, just to verify, he did enter the structure.
That's correct. Black male, khaki pants, white shoes, wearing a backpack, and looks like either a maroon or black jacket on.
97. Everett, you can cancel the phone number. They're going to have security contact us here, and then we'll make entry.
97 14 16.
97, Everett, can you spell the first name?
David, Adam, Sam, Adam, Nora.
97.
97 14 16.
97, Everett.
97.
Do you have the subject's full middle name?
Alexander.
And to verify his first and last again, we're working with Boeing Security.
Last of Samuel's, first of the son, middle Alexander.
97. What's his birthday?
Two 2003 0311.
97.
97 14 21.
97 Everett.
97.
Can you run the subject and send a return with the DOL photo to the units here?
97 1422.
Smoky 3. Do you have the exact time that the last saw the subject enter the facility?
I would have been right when I gave radio that first update for the description.
Everett, what's the timestamp on that?
1410.
Thank you.
97 1426.
Smoky, do you have any video of this?
We've got a full recording.
Thank you, sir. Great work. Appreciate it.
Yep, we'll stay overhead until you guys don't need us anymore.
Verify we got somebody with the car.
Right, there's 3 units here, including me.
All right, Smokey, you're clear. Thank you. A little unexpected, but it worked.
Smoky 3, no problem. We'll stay around and see if we can find that that other vehicle that we're up here for, and we'll let you know.
Thank you.
$206.
206.
Does 97 have another unit with him?
Right. For a total of 5, we're good over here.
206. I'll be clear to the scene.
206 1434. 97 status.
No further. For any of us, we'll let you know what's going to happen next.
97 1452.
97 Everett. Start a tow for the vehicle. We'll be going to the district office.
97 1459. 97146. We have him being escorted to our car.
Okay, we were told he was coming out this gate. Can you confirm that you've got eyes on him?
We have eyes on him. Black sweatshirt, brown pants, and a black gentleman.
Sounds good. Where are you?
D4 parking lot, literally across from that sky bridge, 3 rows back.
97.
146 Everett. He's in custody. 146 in custody, 1523. 97. Do we want to keep the tow coming or not?
Well, why don't you interview him first and see what he says? It'll depend on that.
146.
97 Everett. We're going to cancel Ron May, but he's here. I'll talk to him. Can you put him back at the top?
97 1529.
644 Everett. I'll be in Round County.
644 1535.